Ever wondered how to achieve a polished look? Today, we're going to demystify the art of men's grooming. This isn't about vanity, but about presenting the best version of yourself to the world. You'll find that good grooming habits not only boost your confidence but also leave a lasting impression. And the best part? It's simple, and anyone can master it with a few easy-to-follow steps. So let's embark on this journey together. Stay tuned as we dive into the do's and don'ts of achieving that polished look. First, let's talk about the do's. These are the steps you should be taking in your grooming routine. Starting off, we have regular haircuts. This isn't just about looking sharp, it's about maintaining healthy hair. A trim every 4 to 6 weeks keeps those split ends at bay, promoting growth and vitality. Next up, skincare. It's not all about fancy products, but a simple regimen that works for you. Cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing are the pillars of good skincare. Dedicate time each day to care for your skin, and it will thank you by looking fresh and vibrant. Oral hygiene is another must. Brush twice a day, floss daily, and don't forget to visit your dentist for regular checkups. A dazzling smile can be your best accessory. Finally, nail care. Clean, well-trimmed nails are a sign of good hygiene. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to these grooming do's. Now let's move on to the don'ts. These are the grooming mistakes you'll want to avoid. First off, skincare isn't just for the ladies. Neglecting it is a cardinal sin in the realm of men's grooming. No matter how chiseled your features, without healthy skin, your overall appearance will be compromised, so don't forget to cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize. Next, let's talk about cologne. Yes, it's a great tool to leave a lasting impression, but remember, less is more. You want to intrigue, not overpower, so avoid using too much. A couple of spritzes is more than enough. Lastly, facial hair. It can be a powerful style statement, but only if maintained properly. An unkempt beard or mustache is a definite no-no. Regular trims and using the right grooming products are key. By avoiding these grooming don'ts, you'll be well on your way to a more polished look. So we've covered the do's and don'ts of men's grooming. Let's quickly recap. Remember, a good grooming routine is your ticket to a polished look. The do's: always keep it clean, moisturize, and trim regularly. The don'ts: avoid overdoing cologne, neglecting your nails, and skipping sunscreen. These straightforward tips can have a big impact on your appearance and confidence. With these tips in your arsenal, you're ready to step up your grooming game. Until next time, stay sharp and stay polished.